What's up everybody? Today we're going to be sublimating this 20-ounce skinny tumbler with the new Pinch Perfect tumbler wrapper. We got this inflated tumbler design, so let's get into it.
So we're going to start by saving our image at 9.2 by 8.1. Import your image, size it up, and then flip it.
So after you print it out, you want to make sure that the white is cut off of both sides and the bottom. Okay, so to wrap this tumbler, we're just going to put the paper in the tumbler on the table. Now we're going to make sure it's tight around the bottom. Pinch Perfect tool, push it in, get it set, and then lock it in. Arms are pushing the paper in, then we can start to tape. First piece of tape is usually the most important. We want to make sure that the seam is tight, as tight as you can get it up there, and then push the tape down. You can add 4 pieces of tape, tape the entire seam line. That's what I do. I tape the entire seam line. Better be safe than sorry. So let's fast forward through this taping. Release button pops up. One last thing, go down the seam line with something. You can take a pen, pencil, maybe a credit card, and just get the last bit of air out of that seam line. And then time for the heat press. So we're gonna set our heat press to 365 for 70 seconds. We're gonna put it in with the seam facing up. So for the second time, flip the seam all the way over, put it back in, another 70 seconds. Now it's all done. Let's go see how it turned out. Here's the tumbler. Let's see how it turned out. That's how it turned out. Seam line looks good. Everything came out great. Thank you guys for following along and interacting with this page and these tutorials, these videos, tips, and tricks. Don't forget to follow, leave a like, share, comment to see more great Tumbler sublimation content.